So I have had a lot of shocking statements by media people on a live telecast saying आपका बेटा चला गया, आपको कैसे लग रहा है? कैसे लग रहा है का क्या मतलब होता है? It's very incorrect.
You know, the whole societal pressure often pressurizes an individual to pretend a life according to the society and live it that way. But the viewers who are watching it may not realize that it takes a very huge mental toll on an individual, on a personal level, to always pretend about their choices in life. And to all the parents who are watching, what is that one message you would like to give, so that, because in most of the cases, the battle begins at home.
Yes. So the message that I want to not just give parents, but also siblings, also family members and friends, try and realize the fact that when your kid comes and tells you about their identity, they have come with a lot of mental pressure. They have come with a lot of confidence because the amount of time that the parent might need to accept themselves, the kid has taken that courage and n number of years to explore. You live in a society where you already have preconceived notions. You already have gender tags where a man is supposed to marry a woman. In situations like these where a kid has been raised with such things, it's very, very difficult for your child mentally to have that courage. So first and foremost, do not lash out at your kids. We understand that the fact that you might not have enough information about diverse identities, applaud your child to have that confidence. It's not just confidence, but it's also out of love that the child is coming and telling you that this is how I feel, this is how I identify myself as. He is desperate for your love because the kid is in the fear of not getting loved after coming out. So do not lash out at the kid because that sets the person back again to the phase that the person has been. It's like a plane crash. आपने बताया आपको वापस इतना धमाका फूटा है कि बंदा जाके वापस नीचे गिर जाएगा. So don't do that because that creates a lot of mental pressure on a person's brain and the heart, which turns into a lot of adverse effects. There have been n number of suicide cases. There have been a lot of people who had to
Exactly.
go
And
through
it's high
various,
time that we stop it. We act
situations.
for it, We take a call. Yeah. So,
Exactly. Because if tomorrow, if your kid is identifying as a heterosexual, I mean, parents need to have this thing कि भैया तुम्हारे बच्चे को इतना प्यार दो कि बच्चे को अलग different नहीं feel होना चाहिए. For me, my mother and my sister never made me feel different. So in those terms, I was privileged enough. I wasn't made feel different. कि oh, you love a man being a man. You are something different. Don't let your kid feel that way because the coming out has to stop after a few years because my sibling did not come and tell me that listen, I'm straight. That need has to stop. You have to treat your child equal. So try and understand your child's situation. If need be, look for a therapist for yourself, not for your child, because your child is not at your fault. Not at fault. You are the one who is at fault here. Seek therapist, seek advice before taking steps. Because we recently lost a girl who was from Kerala, who was उनको जबरदस्ती कन्वर्जन थेरेपी कराई गई है where a person has been given a huge amount of electric shock to a level that the
and
person
it is very
dies.
sick because they think it has
This is
something to do
something-
with your mindset. It has something to do with your mentality and it can be changed.
Exactly.
But that's not how it
And-
is.
Exactly. All international and national, especially Indian Psychiatric Society has proven it, has given it out in a statement multiple times. Diverse sexualities have always existed. It's not a genetic disorder. It's nothing different. It's been there. I mean, it's very shameful being in India where Kama
Exactly.
Sutra
Yeah.
has originated. You go to especially Hinduism because I come from that background, so I'll speak about my religion. My religion has always portrayed diverse sexualities and gender identities. Gods that you worship and the temples that you go on has depiction of all kinds of love in all forms, but without it made to feel different. कुछ अलग नहीं दिखाया है, उतने ही इक्वालिटी से दिखाया है. So when you come with such backgrounds, you need to understand that your civilization has always had it. You have just had a transparent blindfold. So the transparent blindfold has been on people that सामने है लेकिन दिखना नहीं है. So this needs to stop. It's okay. We are not desperate for acceptance from random people. We are just coming out to you because we love you. मुझे जरूरत नहीं है किसी को बताने के लिए, बिकॉज तुम मुझे नहीं आके बताते कि तुम हेटरोसेक्सुअल हो. आई हैव टू फाइट फॉर माई राइट्स बिकॉज एज अ गे मैन आई डोंट हैव इक्वल पार्टनरशिप लॉज, आई डोंट हैव equal marriage rights. So if I am coming, it's your responsibility to be okay with it, because I am coming out to you because I know that I don't know whether you might be okay with or not. Because I will come out to people only who I love. So you need to understand that I am coming out to you because I love you. I have that trust in you. And when the person lashes out on a different note, that trust and that friendship, that bond breaks there. So always make sure that queer people have come with a lot of
absolutely.
struggle, lot of physical struggle, as I speak on this
Yeah.
51st. Exactly.
And it takes a lot of courage, considering, you know, it's always been a society where they have been treating, you know, there is always a group, there have been a group which is treating
Exactly.
this community in a different way, which is not required, because who are
Exactly,
you to
because
judge,
you come
who are
with a
you
lot
to
of
decide?
privilege. It's time that you use your privilege to strengthen
Yeah.
the community together, to strengthen yourself, and also to strengthen people who live with you. Because you live with different kinds of plans, you live with different kind of people with different fashion sense. That doesn't stop you being friends with the person, right? So, person's gender identity or sexual identities shouldn't be a factor of discrimination. That's what people need to stop.
Absolutely. Yeah. Now, Vinay, let's talk a bit about journalism and the current scenario in the industry. Because, you know, in a very recent devastating news of Sushant's sudden demise, we saw media coverage hits a new low when reporting a suicide. Do you think media should ensure that the headlines
That
are
is,
anti-clickbait?
again, it's on the same lines that I said for queer people. When Sushant Singh's demise was being
Yeah.
reported, the first and foremost thing that was very incorrect is committed suicide. You need to stop defaming a person who has died because of suicide. Died of suicide is a correct word. If a person tomorrow dies in the accident, you say dies by accident. You don't say committed accident. Committed is a very incorrect word, because a person who takes a step like feeling suicidal, it's because of the mental pressure. And again, the person is very courage, because taking my life, I am a coward, I cannot take my life. A person who goes to a step of taking their life is in a mental state where they cannot be patient with things. They have been forced to such a level, and their emotions have boiled down to such a level. So this is something that you need to respect. I understand that you want to report, but committing suicide is a very wrong statement. Lot of psychologists have also said that repeatedly. Stop saying committed suicide. It's very incorrect, because you are shaming the person. Your job is to understand what happened with the person that forced the person to take such a step. So that is what media persons have to stop. Stop saying a person committed suicide. It's very insensitive. Apart from that, a lot of news channels, including Aaj Tak and so many other channels, have had their own investigation. He has linking up Bollywood celebrities, all of a sudden talking about their relationship, their societal status. You people were not concerned where he was going through mental pressure. All of a sudden, people posting about him, how great was he, how good was he in the industry. And these statements are also coming by a lot of Bollywood celebrities and a lot of producers and directors who have allegedly stopped his movies from getting released, have also allegedly stopped the flow of scripts coming to him. So, as media persons, your job is to report these things in a sensitive manner. Grow up, start becoming, take inspiration from news channels from Al Jazeera, BBC, who investigate in such manner. That is how investigative journalism plays a key role. That as a journalist, go to the grassroots level. So I have had a lot of shocking statements by media people on a live telecast saying आपका बेटा चला गया, आपको कैसे लग रहा है? कैसे लग रहा है का क्या मतलब होता है? It's very incorrect. Keep yourself in those shoes.
Yeah, because the way
Understand the
media
situation
covers
and then
suicide
ask.
can influence
First of
behavior
all, when-
negatively also by contributing to contagion, you know?
Exactly. Start
Yeah.
treating celebrities as any other common person,
Yeah.
where the family has put out a statement saying respect our
Yeah.
privacy. Stop clicking us every moment. Will you
Exactly.
click
They
your
shove
family
their
members if
minds and
someone
ask, "How
passes
are you
away?
feeling?"
No.
Like
Clicking
exactly,
their
which
pictures,
is
posting them on social
absolutely
media.
ridiculous. Because
Exactly.
and
So,
also news channels say that because people want to know,
exactly.
we report and cover such stories. But as an ethical journalist, how to make an active choice to discourage viewers from wanting to know more and details about a death?
So this is where you be very strong and tell people that we as journalists respect a family's privacy, respect a person's demise, paying our tribute. We will not report what is private to them. We will not take pictures of dead bodies, first and foremost. Will you put out pictures of dead bodies? No. So things like these, they are private, they are funeral rituals, pictures.
So, how do you think we can revive the ethics in journalism? Because you are a part of the
So again,
industry.
it's a very personal call. We need to realize that as a journalist, we have a responsibility on ourselves. We are a we are a
Yeah.
bridge that fills the gap between the society and the government and any two other opponents. So go back and understand what you've learned. Anything that you report about, ये समझो कि मुझे क्या सिखाया गया था and keep yourself in the shoes because you will never understand, you will definitely not understand the pain, but you will at least have the idea and grow more sensitive. So reviving of journalism ethics can only happen when the person is keeping themselves in the other person's shoes and then take a decision कि अगर मैं इस सिचुएशन में होता या मेरे साथ ऐसे होता तो मुझे क्या लगता. So that is one thing. Secondly, is again talking to people in a very politeful manner and taking right piece of information. Journalism doesn't mean sensational headlines. It's not a horse race where you have to win first, and it's not something you want clickbaity headlines. Yes, but you can play with it in a right manner. Putting absurd statements and playing dirty politics there doesn't help. So इट्स अगेन आई मीन कोई यहाँ पे चाबुक बैठ के तुम पे ध्यान नहीं रखने वाला, तुमको खुद से करना पड़ेगा. और जो नहीं करेगा, ऑफ कोर्स देयर विल बी ऑफ कोर्स अ लॉट ऑफ जर्नलिस्ट आर गेटिंग call, not just calling them out, there have been even FIRs filed against them. A lot of, be that about COVID reporting, be that about revealing a person's HIV status and all of that, it has happened. So, I mean, मैं तुम्हारी गर्दन पकड़ के नहीं बता सकता कि भाई ऐसे करो, वो खुद से आना चाहिए. Reviving journalism ethics will happen with the person themselves. There's no advisor I could give you. You yourself have to give yourself an advice. Keeping yourself कि भाई अगर इस सिचुएशन में मैं होता या मेरे कोई जानने वाले होते तो मैं क्या करता. And stop considering yourself a race because there's a lot of competition saying उसने पहले एक story डाली थी, मैं पहले डालूंगा. Needs to stop. Your job is to give right piece of information in the right way. It's not a horse. लोग कहीं भागे नहीं जा रहे हैं.
But don't you think it will start from the organization before
definitely.
the journalist?
Organization definitely plays a role of having a style sheet, having that strict laws in the policies saying that if one employee from our organization is going to report it in a particular matter, he or may will be fired or taken will take cognizance. So definitely it's a corporate's responsibility. लेकिन वहां तक जाने से अच्छा तुम पहले समझ लो ना, because तुम कर करके क्या फायदा ना, because the damage is done. Tomorrow if I put a very dirty headline and that might affect a person's mental health, you never know. And if things go take a different turn, what is the company going to do? Fire me, right? It's not going to change the situation. So you make yourself that efficient enough and sensitive enough that your organization or the government shouldn't be taking action against you. Policies, again, it's all on the paper. We don't know if they will be taking action in person or not, but why go to that point, right? Action लेने से अच्छा तुम ऐसी हरकतें करो ही क्यों?
Yeah. Correct. Vinay, you have always been vocal about mental health and, active about it. So, on social media, you might be seeing the trend on mental health right after someone passed away. And so, in that pool, there are some people following the trend, posting about it that, I am there, talk to me. Then there are some people bashing them out. That why are you posting it, because you were never there. But in the whole pool of people posting for lending their hand to help, do you think there can be some genuine people And if yes, how do we pick that out, and how do we not, bash those people who are genuinely feeling the need to help?
Definitely, there are a lot of people in that pool. It's really difficult to understand who's right and who's not right. We need to understand that if a person is lending a hand or a ear to talk, there could be genuine people. Bashing definitely yes, which is very understandable. For my situation, I still have my schoolmates who still have put a lot of patriarchal, sexist post on their statement till date, but put up a status saying, "Oh, if you are facing mental health, my doors are open." That is how you identify a person there. That ये बंदा जब एक साइड पे ऑलरेडी चीजें कर रहा है, he has just put that status only as a social media trend. Delete. उसके अलावा there are a lot of people who might have been an abuser, but over the period of time might have changed and they might genuinely have help to offer. So you also need to understand.
Because even for me, even I faced it, that there was some people posting it out, but in real, I know that they won't be there when I need them. But while doing the introspection, I felt like maybe there can be some people who actually felt the need to talk it out and be there and say that
There is
I am
that's
here,
the problem
you can
with us,
come to
that
me.
we end up justifying ourselves a lot, end up defending ourselves and fighting against each other. That needs to stop. अगर किसी ने लिखा है कि I'm here to offer help, leave it there. It's not your job. Stop policing. It's a very bad habit. Stop policing. If you actually want help, call the person. That is when you will understand if the person was actually being right or fake. Policing, social media policing has to stop. You do not come and question me if I am actually offering help. If I am offering help, you will get to know when you seek help. Of course, there are a lot of people who are doing it only as a social media trend. You bashing them up is just boiling your sweat and blood. There is no point doing it. Ignorance is a bliss. So stop policing people.
Yeah, because everybody is thinking that I am right
Exactly.
and that person is
Needs to
wrong.
stop.
But who
Exactly.
are we to
So
decide
stop
it?
judging each other.
We
Exactly.
don't
So
hold the
stop judging
authority.
people,
Yeah,
stop
yeah.
policing people. Let people be the way they
Yeah.
are. If someone is genuine, you will get to know when the time
Yeah.
comes. Just there.
Yeah, correct. Absolutely. That's what I think all the social media
Exactly.
users needs to know, so that there'll be less hate and more information, more
Exactly.
friendliness out there. Because that was the main intention of the platform. But these days it's turning out to be a place where there is a lot of hate mongering rather than friendship and
Exactly.
understanding
There is
people
so
and
much hate
sharing
in the
good
world.
things.
Social media is where people
Yeah.
come to share their feelings,
Yeah.
share their emotions, share their bits of life. Let people live peacefully. It's not your business, and keep your noses away, please. I don't like noses in my business.
So you have changed your field from engineering to journalism, which is very interesting to me. What message do you have for the aspiring journalist and
Not
the
just
mass
for
media
aspiring
students?
journalists and mass media students, it's a message for everyone in the world.
Yeah.
Choose.
Also for those who wants to switch their field, because there is a lot of inhibition that
It
what
is-
would I do,
it's-
how would I do,
exactly.
what will people
So
think,
again,
all of that.
log kya kahenge is not your business. When my mother realized that I shouldn't have pushed my kid into engineering, she gave me the freedom and told me that do what you want. But understanding the fact that my mother sold her house for my education, I said I will complete this because it was your wish, but I will work at a workspace which gives me the satisfaction. Job satisfaction is very important because I won't be able to perform in a field where I don't like. So parents need to pressurize your kid because your kid will decide what they want. If you push your kid in a field where they might not perform, he is not going to be financially capable of taking care of you later, or himself or herself. So that needs to stop. Talking about people want to take a change, there is no shame. मुझे कोई शर्म नहीं आई because I come from like half of my family being engineers and half of the family being lawyers. I had no shame. My sister and I were the only people who came to a creative field. My sister did her science and then she changed her track to become an interior designer, and now she is a business management into banking and insurance because that is what she realized is her key field. So there is no shame, nothing can stop you. Do what you like. Take your time. People take a year. I did not take much time because I knew during my college days that this is not something that I want. I will do it only because I've invested in it. But I will change my track and do something that I want. Social media and journalism is what I loved doing.
Yeah.
I loved writing. So
Yeah.
start building yourselves
Yeah.
there.
I I like to say that you just mentioned about take your time. Often people tend to forget it, especially the students. There is a rat race, that what if I take a drop 1 year in, and if I invest my time in thinking what to do, my friends will take over. I'll be behind. Even the families, even the society puts that pressure on the kid. So what do we do about that?
Again, family needs to understand that your kid is taking their time. They need that time, because if tomorrow I take like a drastic step saying अच्छा मेरे को engineering छोड़ के I mean, this is a situation when I thought that I would be good in fashion. My college was next to NIF in Kharghar. I used to pass through that bridge daily. I had the fascination of going to college. My mother was okay with it. She's like, this is in the second year, after third semester, it's okay, we'll withdraw your name and I'll admit you to the college. But then I took my time. My mother told me that think about it, because कहीं ऐसा ना हो जाए कि तुमको ये पसंद नहीं आ रहा था इसलिए तुम छोड़ के वहाँ चले गए और तुम्हारा वहाँ पे भी काम नहीं बना. So you need to understand that there's a lot of financial investment, there's a lot of mental investment. Give your kid that time. It's okay if your kid is taking a drop. It's okay if your kid is taking that time, because rather than taking wrong decisions, it's better you take that time period. See, for me, when I did my diploma in mechanical engineering, I finished it in 2014, and I'm going to fill my form for HSC board now after 2014, which is like 6 years, because I was settling myself in a career that I opted myself for. So it's completely alright now that I know that I want to do my graduation in psychology and do something in the field of mental health. I took my time because now I can confidently say it and I can believe in me that I can do this. So always, first and foremost, understand that this is going to force not just as a student but also as a parent, that instead of taking a wrong decision, take that time. ये लोग क्या कहेंगे, फैमिली वाले सोचेंगे अच्छा मेरा बच्चा तो आगे चला गया, तुम्हारा फिर भी पीछे है. My college friends who after diploma did their degree, did their GATE exams, still aren't earning as much as I do in the last 6 years. At the end, that is what matters, right? It's the sense of pride that you have within yourself. So it's completely all right.
Exactly. Because I think you can only excel if you have a passion in
So
that
it's
particular
completely
thing.
all right.
Otherwise, it will be just a pressurized thing you're doing.
So
Yeah.
stop doing that.
Yeah.
My mother never had a problem with it. She is still okay with it, of whether what I do and whether it's about your child feeling confident about what they're doing in their office, what is the kind of job that they do. I am satisfied with my job because I like it. So stop forcing yourself, stop listening to the world, because the world at the end is not going to come and feed you. You are the one who is going to feed yourself, you are going to feed your family and loved ones. So yeah, there isn't any solution. You just have to up your guards. मेरी लाइफ है, मुझे करना है, मैं अपने तरीके से जीऊंगा. आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू लिव ऑन समवन एल्स सिस्टम. एज सिंपल एज दैट.
Exactly. So, Vinay, last question but not the least, how did you celebrate the Pride Month, considering the pandemic and the lockdown? Amidst everything, what did you do?
On a historical month. This is like 1 month where we celebrate, but no problem. We have something called as World Pride Tour. So what a lot of organizations have done is they have started releasing campaigns online, and they have started having activities. They can, honey, we are queer, we are much colorful, and we are much creative. Just take it as a bitter pill. So we have organized a lot of virtual events like every other people. We have a lot of gigs, we have virtual parties where we are on Zoom calls with our own drinks, chilling, celebrating. There have been a lot of mental health workshops. There have been a lot of talks, because since the struggle in India has just started, a lot of organizations have started building digital spaces where, like you and I, having a conversation and having interviews. So making the best of this time of having a conversation, because कल पता नहीं कितना वक्त लगेगा. So that is what we've been doing. We have a digital pride. A lot of brands have come up with their own ideas. So we've been doing as much as we could digital celebration, digital advocacy by means of various campaigns, videos that we are able to do, and talking to each other as much as possible. So that's all about it.
Yeah. Picking out the best we
Well,
can do.
honey, we are
that's what
known
we
to
are
do
doing.
the best
So,
of the situation. Our pride celebration are better than what your marriages do, by the way.
yeah. So, Vinay, thank you so much. It was amazing and very educational
Always a
talking to
pleasure.
you. I hope this one will, educate more people and, give out the right message.
Thank
Thank
you
you
so
so
much
much
for
for joining us. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share the video.